This is a tutorial on how to use a video as a source in English 102. In the content area, click on Unit 1 and the critical analysis essay. There is a link to a video. Click the link and skip the ad if necessary, and you will be taken to, in this case, a YouTube video of a TED Talk. Notice that this is from YouTube, and so the date that you would use for this TED Talk is when YouTube posted the video. So you would use this date. Also, in the upper right-hand corner of the video, there's a little information link, and if you click on that, you can get a transcript of the video. And when you do that, you'll see the written transcript and the timestamp for each piece of that video. This is very important if you want to directly quote from the video, because you will need the specific timestamp for that information. So that can often be helpful for you as you view the video. To list your video on the references page, you'll go back to the you'll go to the content and the APA materials and go to the information on the references page. Here you will have lots of information about creating your references page and listing various sources. If you scroll down quite a bit, you will find the section on videos. Way down. So here we are. After books, we have information on videos. So this is a YouTube video, so you would provide that information. Actually, there's specific information on TED Talks, so you can use those models to help you with your references page. To cite the information from your video within your paper, go again to the APA section of the course, and this time go to Embedded Citations. And again, there's a lot of information there that you'll want to go over, but if you scroll down, you will find a section on video sources. So read that information and use those models as you use information from the video. Hopefully these tips will help you view and use information from the TED Talk video for the critical analysis essay.